Hello guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge House. Today we are going to discuss diseases caused by viruses. Dengue. Pathogen responsible, arbovirus. Mode of transmission, mosquito bite. Incubation period, 4 to 8 days. Rabies. Pathogen responsible, rhabdovirus. Mode of transmission, bite of a mad dog. Incubation period, 2 to 16 weeks or longer. Poliomyelitis. Pathogen responsible, enterovirus. Mode of transmission, contact, houseflies, food and water. Incubation period, 7 to 14 days. Mumps. Pathogen responsible, paramyxovirus. Mode of transmission, direct contact, virus in saliva and secretion of nose invades salivary gland. Incubation period, 12 to 21 days. Measles. Pathogen responsible, paramyxovirus. Mode of transmission, direct contact, virus transmitted through air by droplets during talking, coughing and sneezing. Incubation period, 10 to 14 days. Influenza. Pathogen responsible, orthomyxovirus. Mode of transmission, contact, virus transmitted through discharge from respiratory tract of person infected with disease. Incubation period, 1 to 2 days. Common cold. Pathogen responsible, rhinovirus. Mode of transmission, contact. Incubation period, 2 to 5 days. Smallpox. Pathogen responsible, variola virus. Mode of transmission, direct contact, indirect by infected articles. Incubation period, 12 days. Chickenpox. Pathogen responsible, varicella virus. Mode of transmission, direct contact or indirect by infected object. Incubation period, 12 to 16 days. If you like this video, then like it and subscribe Knowledge House.